Today, I'm kayak fishing in this small, crystal clear lake. I immediately began casting a spinnerbait around the edges of the lake.
I'm about to catch one, bro. I just feel it.
I made a quick cast towards the shore and immediately felt something pick up my line.
Oh, got one. It's nice, it's nice, it's nice. Oh my gosh, I need a net.
I successfully netted and landed this nice largemouth bass.
Bro, it's like a 3-pounder. Spinnerbait.
What a fish.
This was my only fish of the day, but it was a good one, so I released it to be caught another day.